you tweet that?
Tim Tebow. Yeah, Tim Tebow tweeted this. I'm now a high-profile New York sports figure. I can't wait to find a hot model girlfriend to not have sex with. Lady Gaga tweeted this. Someday I'd really like to settle down and have a couple of kids to wear as earrings.
Oh, that would be cute.
Yeah. Rick Santorum tweeted this. Porn it up, fellas, because if I'm elected, you'll be spanking it to the bra section of the Sears catalog and that Indian chick on Land O'Lakes butter.
Wow. He's got that thought out.
Yeah. She's hot. Joan Rivers tweeted this. Cold in Hollywood today. Got to get fleece injected into my face. Disney Pictures tweeted this. Sorry about John Carter, but we think you'll love our new movie about a time-traveling vampire. It's called Dave Whitley.
Oh.
Hey, Joe Biden tweeted this. Got booed for 6 straight minutes at yesterday's rally. Got booed 5 minutes today. They're starting to come around. Yeah. Lenny Kravitz tweeted this. Acting in the Hunger Games was fun, but it's time to get back to my first love, recording the same song over and over again. La Bamba tweeted this. Hey, computer, can you take these words I am putting into you and turn them into a churro? I like churros. Okay, bye, computer. He's a child. And finally, he doesn't even know he's on TV right now. It's like when you see a kitten in a commercial. And finally, Steven Tyler tweeted this. They say after a while, couples start to resemble each other, but I don't remember marrying a dead gypsy.